Hey everybody, it's Dims here. Today I'll be teaching you how you can sketch your clothing designs and eventually get to this level as a beginner using the Adobe Draw app. Okay, so you begin by opening your web browser and entering the image that you'll be looking for. So you can use a regular person or image of a person if you'd like, but for this tutorial I'll be looking up an adult mannequin, and I put in the word sketch so it gives me a sketch of what I'm looking for so that everything looks like it's one. Okay, so once you find the image that you'll like to use, you just want to add that to your gallery so you can have it saved in your camera roll. So now I'm just going to add my image by pressing the plus icon and pressing any one I want. I just pick the iPad one usually. So I'm going to also add my image by pressing add image layer, and then you should see the image that you saved to your gallery. Okay, so with this app, you have the space to minimize and maximize as much as you want. So I usually like the second pen option. So I'm just going to take my black and outline the exact shape that I want my outfit to be. So today I'm going to make a top. So I'm going to outline the shape of the top, making sure that my lines are connected. If your lines are not connected, then you cannot take use of the fill tool where you can just fill in your colors, and you would have to actually color in your colors. So make sure that your black lines or your outline is connected. Okay, so since this tutorial is for beginners, I didn't make any of my lines straight. I just acted like if I were a beginner to show you the ropes of what's going on. So right now I'm just making the outline of how I want the outfit to look, making sure that all my lines are connected so that I won't have any issues when trying to use my fill tool later on. Okay, so here I'm making use of my color options, and I'm going to begin to fill in my outfit with different colors just to see how it will look. So all I'm doing is holding down my thumb with the color that I want to fill in the spaces that I've already created with my lines. So all you have to do is hold down your thumb in the space to get the color creations that you would like. So as I start the bottoms of this outfit, I'm once again making sure that my lines are going to be connected so that I can save a lot of time by using my fill option instead of coloring in my spaces and having to erase and do everything all over again. So now I'm using my finder tool to find the exact same colors that I already used so that the colors match on the outfit. So I'm just holding down my color options and I'm sliding it directly over to the color I'm looking for to find my color options for my bottoms. So as you can see, I've run into my first error. My lines are not connected right here. So what I'm going to do is go back in with my black and connect my lines. And once my lines are connected, then the issue has been resolved. So now I'm going back in with my finder tool. All you have to do is hold down your color and slide it directly over to the color you're looking for, and then fill in the space that you want to be filled with that color. Okay, so now that all the bottoms are filled in, I'm going to go in and accessorize my sketch to make it look how I would like it to look. So I just have to make sure, and you have to make sure, that your lines are connected so that you can take full use of your fill option so that you do not have to draw in and actually sit and color in all your spaces and all your lines and erase and do everything over again. So this is the most easiest way to sketch something quickly effectively and most of all free. So if you would like to stick around for the rest of the video and see how this turns out, thank you so much for watching, or you can skip to the end and see the turnout.